Hola from Nicaragua. In this video, I share with you one of the most popular things to do in Nicaragua, volcano boarding at Cerro Negro. I also show you the Granada highlights at the historic town center, a crater lake, and the Islets of Granada on Lake Nicaragua. Come along and join me, Trudy, with True and Healing Travel, and learn why you should visit Nicaragua. Where we're going. Sorry. There's our boards.
Yes, Wilbur's gonna be there.
Yep.
Here's the group. Say hi, Dylan.
Hi, Dylan.
I'm gonna be the caboose. All right, I'm about to do the most insane thing I've ever done. I'm in Nicaragua on the second youngest volcano in the world called Cerro Negro, and we're gonna do sandboarding. So we're currently walking. It's just a 1 mile walk, and the elevation at the top is 730 meters. Our walk to the summit is about 45 minutes. We volcano board down the other side, which is the steepest and smoothest area of Cerro Negro. So we're on our way. So this right here, this is the main crater. That's another crater up there, and we're going to walk up this all the way around the rim, and then we'll be sliding down the other side.
Okay. Jump!
Okay. Kind of.
Come a little closer, please.
Okay.
Okay, this is the most important part of the tour, and I need all your attention, please. Okay? So, here we go. Okay, amigos, I want to start by saying this. What you're about to do, trust me, is a lot easier and a lot safer than it looks. I know it looks very steep, I know it looks on the ground, and sit all the way back, okay? Like this.
Okay.
You sit all the way back behind this piece of wood the whole time, okay? Okay? So my recommendation for you would be to keep your feet like this, outside the board, touching the surface the whole time, as close as possible to the board, and with the toes up the whole time. Okay, so this position that I have now is the best position to go.
There she goes. Woo! She's going fast. The Baroque Lady of Merced Church dates back to the 16th century. Behind this crumbling facade is one of the most important churches in Nicaragua. We climb the spiral stairs to the bell tower for a view of Granada.
Back and forth and move left, right? And everybody, back and back, 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 shake it, shake it, shake it, yeah, back and back, back and back, arriba,
Arriba,
abajo,
abajo,
al centro, adentro,
adentro,
y a cachimba,
Cachimba.
Nicaragua!
Nicaragua! All right, cheers. Chocolate rum. Ooh. All right, I'm in the Masaya handicraft market. I'm going to show you around, and what I love is the colors, especially of the hammocks. They are known for around the Granada area, a lot of hammocks and other things, so I'll show you around. Masaya is known for having the highest quality handicrafts in Nicaragua. It's just 14 kilometers west of Granada. Here we go. Hi! You're on video.
Y no quieres nada más de mí, te fuiste con ese infeliz. ¿Qué importa? ¿Qué importa? Y me va a matar la depresión que me puede vivir en el alcohol. ¿Qué importa? ¿Qué importa? Te fuiste sin decir adiós, que no dormirás en mi colchón. ¿Qué importa? ¿Qué importa?
Just outside Granada, we went to Apoyo Laguna, a crater lake in an extinct volcano. We enjoyed an afternoon at Laguna Beach Club Resort on the water with kayaks and paddleboards. Seattle, 6,795 kilometers. What is that? Ooh. On my way. Let's see what we can get. Let's see, that's where we were eating. All right, I got my own kayak here on this incredible crater lake, and I am loving life right now. I'm not going to stay out too far. I don't want to get fried, but this is definitely a great thing to do here in Nicaragua. You can see the crater lake all around me there. Woo! so I found myself a nice hammock, and I'm enjoying that more than anything. Okay, we're getting ready to get on. All right, you guys, say hi. This is the gang. The Islets of Granada are an archipelago of 365 islands on Lake Nicaragua. They were created from the lava from a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. It is known for having incredible bird life.
Great egret in North Canada.
Hi, egret. Oh my God, this is so cool.
Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Schooling.
All right, and I'm drinking, we're all drinking the Nicaraguan drink. What is this Nicaraguan drink called again? Bagua? Okay, Nicaraguan drink, bagua. Basically, it's rum and papaya juice, orange juice. Anyway, cheers.
Hey guys, the lake we're in right now.
Snowy egret.
This lake here is great egret.
One is gray, one is
Oh, snowy and great are the same thing.
Which one?
Snowy and great, aren't they the same thing? Oh no. Okay, we're gonna save this guy. He's stuck in the net.
Oh!
Oh, oh, this is horrible.
You got a knife?
Oh yeah, it's a net. It's big.
We're all leaning on this side of the boat.
Humans are doing to the.
Oh no, come on, buddy.
Oh no, it's your side.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, God, this is so hard to watch. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, we're gonna help you, buddy. We're gonna help you. Oh, good one, Wayne.
Look, he got a knife, look. The cut.
Oh, he's got a
He
knife?
got a pliers, he got the pliers.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, there you go. There you go.
You're free.
Oh,
Don't take there.
yay! We stopped to see the 3 spider monkeys on Monkey Island. They are a bit overweight from being fed by tourists. Is that the name of the island? Sunset, right? Oh, isn't this nice?